Good afternoon.
Are you okay?
I'm not okay.
You said you're who, please?
Oh, you don't know me again? It is me now, Lady God.
You be Mumu.
Lady God.
Lady God in a way.
Why are you crying? What's the problem? Are you okay? What's wrong? No, talk to me. Just talk to me, please.
I don't want to talk too much because of my makeup.
Sorry. I understand.
My sister. Now your page put me for this trouble while they inside. Oh.
Child!
Your page.
Continue.
If you come for your page, any of your page, both your TikTok, your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok, your there's one other of your page again. Your foundation page, everything that concerns you gives me joy. In fact, I sleep and wake up from your page. So all those things we they do online, they sweet me for my body.
That means you're a fan then?
Yes, also fan. I don't come out for fan and enter AC. I don't be fan anymore. I don't come. Fan is an understatement. Everybody can be fan. Anybody can be a fan. But what I did to you now is AC.
Child!
AC, kuku, ntoyi.
That's great. I really appreciate that. So, but is that the reason you're crying?
It's not the reason I'm crying. I have a very big problem. Very big one.
Tell me about it.
Yes.
What are you doing?
That is what I want to explain to you. As I see you for your page, as they take carry your body, that's your backside. You go they shake a motor. You need shake your tail. They sweet me. Everybody they like you. If you come for location where you they shoot film, that's all people go they jump on you. You go they use I do. I mean no, the thing come they sweet me. Some of your friends will be say they do the same film with you. You know, say sometimes I say you yaso and okay so long okay. That is my problem now. Because say, we know her secret. Anytime I talk, say, I love this girl. I want to be like her. Somebody go say, I beg leave that thing. Now this thing it won't be like that girl go mislead you. She go finish you. This thing where we know her secret. I say, but you are her friend. Also forget about it. That thing where would they do with her? Now just to do manamanihu competinazo, sweet me for face, kill me for back. Now what thing they do? They say, they know where you do your nyash. So one other one say you down for Yaba. Another one say you down for Medugri. And you cause us figure on Ale Kwenga, Gaga me no mudre. Cause us see me no bogologo. How una can know this things, man? Never no go do na own. They even talk say all this motorway they buy. They go buy motor. One day you go build house. You take care of your mama. The day when you buy motor for your mama, I sweet for body. Somebody say, need that thing. Now nyash they give and that money. I say nyash they give money.
Continue.
Now he make me a con rush come out. Half from Gabaton as zone vida side the boy church with the major no.
Child!
The co-op on the government towards that end. Now there that person shop there. Now in the carry me go. It means so here the castment when they move one nick. They come patch am. Serious. See me now.
He shot you. May God not allow them make them kill you.
What did this to you? This is horrible.
Continue.
Horrible how the cat like me with a hurricane. I resemble hurricane. I don't feel sleep for night.
No.
That's what the thing they having me.
This person should be arrested.
This
This is horrible. Which hospital is that?
It's not a hospital, it's one kiosk like that. I don't want to table toy
How could you have done this to yourself?
Child!
So what do you intend to do now?
I don't know what to do. That is why I come to you. Say, since now for your page, you come let regaro. Let me know whether you go still give me advice or I go take go to do it. Because he can't go. I am tired. I am tired.
That is where you get it all wrong. We are two different people. You are Lady Gold, I am Destiny, right?
Yes.
We are wired differently. Same God, but different mothers. Yes. You can't be me and I can't be you. You have what makes you unique. I have mine. So you shouldn't, you found me, right? You see me as a role model, but you cannot be Destiny.
Child!
The truth is, it is the grace of God that gives you wealth. It has absolutely nothing to do with big bum, big breasts, or looking beautiful, skin color. It is different. You can be a slim person, but be blessed. It mustn't necessarily be nyash and breasts. It has nothing to do with it.
No wonder.
You should have been contented with what God has given to you. I'm really, really sorry about this because this is, I don't know what to call it.
No, besides I want to take talk from you. Before one never do this thing. At least if I do waka, small boys will good. At least little they come.
Continue.
Once this is what I do, I might become comedian. If I pass, people go they laugh. How get moti? Some people go see me speak. I say, waiting I do. Only me do. Destiny no do.
No, I did.
Destiny no do.
No, that is where you got it all wrong. This is gifts from God.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey,
I didn't go anywhere, my darling. The only thing that makes it more defined is the body shaper I use, the killer curve body shaper I use. It has absolutely nothing to do with going to any hospital to make yourself more beautiful or give yourself bum. No. Oh my God, I pity for you because you look absolutely disgusting. I'm sorry. Okay, see what happens, right? Gosh, I don't even know where to begin because you need help.
Yes, I do need help. Somebody help me.
No, sorry. I don't really have much, but through the Sinetico Foundation, I can actually give you something to take care of yourself. That's all I can do.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
You have a good heart. God will bless you.
This is 100,000 naira. Use it and take care of yourself. But please, don't ever dream to be like another person. Don't ever. You don't even know what the person is passing through. Don't ever. I'm sorry about this.
Thank you. God bless you.
They have left you behind.
Mambu carry 100,000. Hey, see what I've caused myself. You see it? Be contented with what you have. Give him back. You want to be like Okocha, you want to be like Okoji. Now look at it. Look at it, we are busy killing ourselves for what we do not know about. The small girl is busy making her money. All of you will give me this advice, you know go better for her from A to Z.
Child.
You never be well with all of you. It is even me that is more stupid. Because if I had remained the way God created me, I will not be facing all this rubbish.
Child.
You won't be like this person, you won't be like the other person. Now look at it.
Continue.
Hey, Oche Bumroneo.